Alright guys, we are over at the paint booth and it's a little bit of a masking day today, and we'll be painting later this evening. There she is, got her all situated up in there. Got her on jack stands. Like I say, always put it on jack stands, get it up in the air so you can get paint under the edges. Right, on the full rocker panels, a lot of painters don't do that. Painters will just bend down. I got a good painter, he'll actually go down on his, get down there on his knees and spray it underneath like you should. We always take wheels and tires off to get up and around here. So now it's masking time. A lot of masking. Now normally we do not paint with the hood and the trunk lid on, we take them off. But in this case, because of this paint, the customer supplied the paint, which normally we do not allow. But with the paint he supplied, it's got a lot of pearl in it and it's got metallic in it. And we're worried that if we do the hood and the trunk separate, there could be a difference in the end. There just could be. So we want to do this car all together. And it's going to be fine because the car is getting a polish after. So any edges, like normally you paint all this stuff off so you get the edges properly. We've already sprayed all the edges and then we'll use our foam tape to mask it. And if there is any kind of sharp edge there after from the paint and the clear, we're going to be doing a polish on it so it'll get buffed off anyway. So that's all good. So there you go. It's in the booth. I'm going to shut the camera off. We're going to get masking and then we're going to also show you what else we're doing today here at the shop. And maybe if you're lucky, maybe I'll get a couple shots of when the painter's in here painting later on this evening. A lot of times people say, why don't you film some of this stuff? Well, I'll tell you why, because I just said the key word, in the evening. I already put in 8 hours a day and then I don't feel like being out here for another 4 or 5 after. But we'll see how I feel today. Okay guys, we got her masked up. You can see our nice foam edge roll tape we use in there. Whoops. Doesn't help that I leave a razor blade on the roof, does it? So now it gets a wash and a wipe. And all skirted. Then it's paint time. Yeah. So, away we will go. Start getting some paint ready, and after we wash this down. Give you guys a little treat. Okay guys, that's all you're going to get for now. We're going to save the final finesse, unveiling, whatever the word is, for you guys in a while. But there you go. George is in there giving her hell. That's it for now. Okay guys, so we got the last of the color on. Now it's time to clear coat. The lights are really reflecting in here, so it's not, this color doesn't look good under all these fluorescent lights, honestly. It's a nice color, trust me, just not looking too good under these lights. Mind you, it's just flashing off right now too, the paint, so usually I never show you guys videos of it. This, what's that there? Nothing. I thought I saw a piece of dust, but I didn't. Normally we're not over here. You guys, some of you guys were like, we want to see when you're painting, but there it is. So it's flashing off. I'm going to get out of here. It's pretty stinky. He's going to get ready to clear it pretty soon. Yeah. Here we go. Away we go. Looking good though. Okay, let's get out. Alright guys, it's pretty, this color of these lights doesn't do it any justice. It doesn't actually, to be honest, I'll be 100% honest because you know guys I am, it doesn't look good in here when I'm filming, but trust me, if you're here it looks a lot better in person than it does. It looks kind of, for some reason it looks kind of rough looking in the camera through here, but it actually turned out beautiful. It's clear coated now, obviously. I don't know if you can see a difference from the last little filming I did there a second ago, but I'm not going to stay in here too long because you can already tell that I'm just clogging up from the smell of this stuff, but yeah, it's clear coated. So that's it. Let her dry up, and then away we go. Get her unmasked and take it from there. So there you go guys, that's the end of this video. And did my best to do a little filming while we're painting. Hopefully it makes some of you guys happy. And remember, it's always a good time at old time.